Wrong number. Sorry. That's the wrong number. Call. Three hours later. But my appointment is at 4:30. No. Easy busy. Thank you. This is so scary, so spooky.
Hi.
Hi.
You guys are Nuovo?
Yes.
Awesome. Come on in.
Thank you.
What are your names?
Luz.
Luz? Come on in. And also, I get lost out here all the time, so I figured I'd come help you guys out.
Wine is fine.
Would you want white, red, or rosé? What would you like?
Rosé.
Rosé?
Yeah. Where we can see?
Just on the couch over
Okay.
there. That'll be perfect.
Sure.
Yeah. Keep your mask on and take it over there.
Thank you. Thank you. Thanks. So right now we are in the photo shop and they give us a pink wine for not be too much stress. But this is a beautiful place and I'm gonna show you guys a beautiful view over there. I love this. This is beautiful. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's beautiful. It's fully naked, but she's covered. So it's so pretty. It's beautiful. So I've been waiting for 10 minutes. My wine is finished, so I have to wait a little bit more, and then I'm gonna go inside and they're gonna do the photo shoot. So I'm here in the washroom and I'm gonna show you guys. Oh my god, look at this picture. It's beautiful, amazing. I really love it. This is a very small washroom, but it's very beautiful. And this is amazing. It's a beautiful second one for a long wait. Second one. So I'm here already and gotta change.
This for the 150. For real, it's not far.
Thank you. So they give us a rose, a yellow rose. Oh my gosh. So I just finished my my Photoshop and it was nice. I was so excited. So I get 2 pictures and they give me a rose, so it's so nice. It's a very nice experience. If you guys want to see my first time being in this Photoshop, just go and click. It was 2 years ago, and now, in that time I was a blonde, but now I have long hair with a curly. I did it curly this time, so happy. I will try my best to show you guys my pictures, but I don't know. It's a very nice pictures. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like, and see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.